Shwmae, Croeso, Geraint Wilson Price dwi, cyfarwyddwr Canolradd Cymraeg Oedolion Gwent. Croeso i'r cwrs Canolradd. First things, croeso nôl, welcome back, and also don't panic. This Canolradd course will build on your Sylfaen course, and of course it is very, very similar to that course. But now you read and use much more Cymraeg. I wneud y cwrs Canolradd, mae eisiau, wrth gwrs, llyfr, cwrs Canolradd. The first year, as you will know, will do the units 1 to 15, and the second year, units 15 to 30. Roughly, we do 1 unit every fortnight. Remember, 4 of the first 5 units are revision units, so there will be a lot of chance for you to revise all those things you've done the previous year. And remember, every 5th unit, as normal, is a revision unit, so there is plenty of revision throughout the course. Full details of the course content are on the contents page at the front of the course book. Darllenwch y cyflwyniad hefyd, the introduction. Mae yn Gymraeg, it's in Welsh, but there are a lot of the difficult words are given in English. This is how you will learn more and more as you go on. Cofiwch ddefnyddio'r Cymraeg. Remember to use as much Welsh as possible. Hefyd, of course, cofiwch siarad Cymraeg. Mae rhaid I chi drio siarad Cymraeg. You've got to try and use your Welsh however little you think you've got. The more you practice, the better things will become. Hefyd, of course, you can ask questions to your tutor. Beth yw yn Gymraeg? Beth yw yn Saesneg? Pan dych chi eisiau help. Mae'n bwysig iawn siarad lot o Gymraeg. Felly, ceisiwch try as much as possible. Hefyd, mae eisiau'r pecyn ymarfer. Okay? Practice pack. You will see similar packages with the other courses. Dych chi'n gwneud eich gwaith catre, yeah? The homework. Dych chi'n gwybod bod gwaith catre yn bwysig, a hefyd bod y gwaith catre yn gweithio, that homework works. Bydd adborth, feedback ar y gwaith catre oddi wrth y tutor, so you'll know exactly how you're doing and what you need to do to improve. Ond cofiwch, rhywbeth bach, cymaint ag sy'n bosibl. As much as possible, do a little bit every day. Mae eisiau CDs hefyd I rannu arnyn nhw. A dyma nhw. Cofiwch, the more Cymraeg you hear, the more you will understand and the more you will be able to speak Welsh. Os oes ffôn deallus gyda chi, smartphone, neu cyfrifiadur, dych chi'n gallu gweld fideos o bob uned o'r cwrs ar wefan y bont. Try to look at the bont as much as possible. There's a huge amount of help in there, and we're always adding extra stuff. In the course, as with the previous courses, we will be using drill repetitions of Welsh sentences. Drilio ac wedyn geimau a gweithgaredda activities. Dyna siwt dyn ni'n dysgu Cymraeg. Mae gramadeg wrth gwrs, but of course we won't make a song and dance about that. Felly, beth yw'r problemau? What are the problems? Wel, wrth gwrs, os ydych chi ddim yn dod i'r dosbarth Cymraeg, fyddech chi ddim yn dysgu Cymraeg. It's as simple as that. Some of you may have had a hard time in yr ysgol. Peidiwch â phoeni. This will be very, very different. Some of you may have had reading, writing, or other educational problems in school, or still have them. Peidiwch â phoeni. Your tutor can help. So remember to ask him or her. Some of you may have some problems getting around the classroom or to the building. Peidiwch â phoeni once again. Your tutor can help, so please ask for support. Dyma rai pethau eich helpu chi I setlo mewn i'r dosbarth. Your tutor will show you where to go and what you should do in any emergency. Do you know where the fire exit is? Do you know where everyone meets up at the end? Is there a first aid kit at reception? We want to keep you safe and sound. Your tutor will also confirm the date of the course. Oes gwyliau, holidays? Oes hanner tymor? Pryd mae'r cwrs yn gorffen, finishes? Oes amser coffi? Ble mae'r tŷ bach? Cofiwch, if there's anything else we can do to help you settle into your course or feel safe in your learning environment, please discuss this with your tutor. Cofiwch, remember, eich cwrs chi yw hwn. We hope that one of you will take on the role of a class representative, cynrychiolydd dosbarth, to listen to the opinions of all learners in the class and give feedback, adborth, to me and my staff yn y Ganolfan. There may be questionnaires and even an annual meeting with a very exciting buffet as a reward for your efforts. You never know. Observers will call in to see how things are going every so often. Maen nhw'n mynd I siarad Cymraeg I chi. Felly, therefore, try out your Welsh on them and they will be pleased. Arholiad, exam. There is an exam available at the end of the second year. Not a school exam, but an exam especially designed for adults and a chance for you to prove yourself how much you have learnt. If you are in the second year, you should very much think about doing the exam. Very similar to the Sylfaen exam, and as you know, your Welsh will get better much quickly if you're doing the exam. Rhaid I chi wneud y gwaith catra, you've got to do the homework bob dydd. Remember, as I said, a little bit every day is a great help. And of course, you will get out of the course what you put in. We will also ask you to set and review targedau each term. We do hope that you will hit your own personal targets and see yourself getting better all the time. You may be learning for all kinds of reasons. Your course Canolradd includes additional material at the back of the book to help you if you're learning for family or work reasons. You should always keep a diary of your successes in your learning plan and note the times when you perhaps go to an informal learning session, a coffee morning, a one-day school or a weekend course. Every little helps, of course. Towards the end of the course, your tutor will let you know what will be happening the following year, so you know exactly where to go. Remember, there is so much to gain from learning Welsh, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Nawr te, digon oddi wrtha I, mae'n amser dysgu Cymraeg, felly dyma'ch tutor unwaith eto. But, os ydych chi eisiau siarad Cymraeg a ni yn y Ganolfan ym Mhontypool, yn Gymraeg neu in English, mae manylion ni ar gael yma. Please feel free to contact a Ganolfan at any time you should have any concerns. We at Canolfan Cymraeg Oedolion Gwent take pride in the fact that we live our motto, namely, our learners are at the centre of everything we do. Your tutor will also give you a point of contact as well, in case you need to contact him or her in any emergency. Pob lwc a hwyl fawr.